That's what I'm doing here. From flat to round. Hello folks, what I did is I took the square edges off here and made them round. So you got the two holes prepped. This is no longer a square, it's round. I got to take some burrs off it. And again, like I always state, I like using a hand file sometimes because you just can't always get the thing off right. So just how's this crud over here? Just because I don't want to skim too much of it off. I just want to make it so it doesn't take my finger off one of these days, or my kids, or whoever else is playing around to this table. Smooths out all the edges and shit. Yeah, I could get it smoother, but there's one side. This side's got like razor sharp edge on it. Maybe I should move some stuff out of the way, you think? Yeah. I could make it more smooth and perfect, but it's going under the bench, not where most people can't see it. I'm just trying to get some of the marks out of here. See, that's a little better. Nobody will chop a finger off now. Why did I make it round? Could have kept it square. Just for aesthetics. I know, I just stated that, oh yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's under the chair, but I wanted it some, I didn't want it totally boring. Somebody looks in their knee, be like, hey, look at that, that's cool. I mean, I could make everything boring, square. That's what I like about old industrial furniture. It's like somebody took the time to design it nice, like they all look nice and it's all ornate and stuff. Today it's just, let's just make it easy to manufacture and cheap as possible, right? Back then, let's make it last as long as possible. Not knowing that, oh yeah, they probably put themselves out of business because of that. There you go. There we go. To a nice little semi-decent. The holes, actually I got the holes aligned pretty good this time. This one's a little bit off. That one's a couple of millimeters off. Now it's pretty much dead on. So yeah, there you go. See? That's all I really want to do for tonight. I don't know what time it is. 20 after 11. I'm going to take a break and I'll show you something else.